It's kind of hard to explain DE not face-to-face, so I'm trying with a quick video. I am already logged into Discovery, as you can see here from my screen. So I'm going to go to the left-hand side here, and this is going to be your tech book. It looks like a little magnet. Click in, and what you're going to use is you're going to use the Michigan New. And the way you'll know is it says GLIX right here. We're still on GLIX. K4. 5th grade with Kristen D'Antonio, she is trying NGSS, and 6th grade has moved into NGSS. So when you see this, you can click. If you're not on Michigan New, just go down till you find it, and you will see Michigan New. And again, like I said, it's going to be the GLIX. So I'm attaching this file here. This will show you everything that you need to cover, and it is aligned with GLIX and with what is in DE. We don't have enough lessons to be able to cover all of it in 3rd grade because you guys only do science for half the year. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at this, and then this is going to tell you which lesson so you can kind of have an idea of what to plan for. So I'm going to attach that to an email for you so you can see it. When you're in DE, so like right now, Unit 1 is Minerals and Rocks, and you do have to teach Minerals and Rocks. So I am going to go ahead and click on the View Concept, and then that's going to bring you up with your, it's a 5E model. So it has the 5 E's. The first thing is engage, and you can kind of go down. It has some teacher notes on here to help you, and then it has all this information for students. You can have them do a lot of this. You can do it out loud together. You can assign it so that they do it in stations. There's lots of different ways. But I would always start with going here to this model lesson. The model lesson is going to give you the lesson overview, so you can look and see what are those I can statements you need. So for the students, they have to be able to explain the difference between a rock and a mineral. They have to be able to describe the general properties of minerals. They have to be able to classify them. It has kind of an overarching question, lesson questions, and then things for them like key vocabulary. So it has everything here. It gives you what they would do. It doesn't mean you have to do this, but it does give you what they would do with times in there. Another thing that is nice here is this teacher preparation, where it will give you background knowledge. So some of the misconceptions. So those are kind of nice areas to start, just so you can get your bearings on what to pull from where and how to do that. You can always just go back to here, and it's going to come right back up to here. You can kind of go through and see when you're in DE, there is, students can sign in and you can assign stuff to them. So I have another video that shows how students sign in. I'm going to attach that for you. But right here to assign something, it's really easy. All you do is you just click more actions. This will put it in your little bar down below where it's going to be like a quick access. So if you want this to start a lesson, you're like, I don't have time to do anything with it, you just put it to a quick list, and then that's going to be added to a quick where you can just kind of grab it from below. If you want to assign it to students, you can go ahead and push assign, or if you want to save this because you're like creating files, you can do that as well. So to assign, you just click here. Mine doesn't come up because I don't have a class, but you will have an actual class. So once you do this, it will say create a classroom, and it will be there. So hopefully that gave you a little bit. If you have any questions, let me know. And as you can hear, I'm home, so you can email me, and hopefully this helps.